Porosity is one of the most common MIG welding defects. It is the result of gas becoming trapped in the weld. Let's talk about some of the most common problems that cause porosity and how to correct them. A lack of shielding gas coverage is the most common, and there are a few items to check here. First, check your regulator to make sure you are not out of gas or your gas flow was set improperly. Adjust as necessary. Next, check your hoses and MIG gun for leaks. Another item to check for leaks is the O-rings on the pin end of the gun. If there are pieces missing, replace the O-rings. Another cause of porosity is dirty base metal. Inspect and clean if necessary. Also check your gun angle. If too excessive, you will lose good gas coverage. In addition to that, check your tip to work distance. You should be around 3/8 to a ½ inch away from your material. If you've checked everything I've mentioned and still have porosity, try changing your tank of shielding gas. It could be contaminated. Hopefully, if you are experiencing porosity issues, after going through this checklist, you will find the problem, be able to correct it, and be back on track to finishing your project.